Do you think math is just a bunch of boring numbers and endless calculations? What if I told you that you could become a math magician, able to perform incredible calculations in your head and even read minds? Well, get ready, because today I'm going to reveal 5 simple math tricks that will blow your mind and make you look like an absolute genius to your friends and family. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. First up, we have the super fast multiplication trick for the number 11. Forget your calculator, you can do this in seconds. Let's say you want to multiply a 2-digit number, like 34, by 11. Here's the secret. You take the 2 digits, 3 and 4, and add them together. So, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now, you just place that 7 right in between the original 3 and 4. And just like that, you get 374. Let's try another one. How about 52 times 11? You add 5 and 2, which is 7, put the 7 between the 5 and 2, and you get 572. It's that simple. Now, what if the sum is a 2-digit number? For example, 78 times 11. You add 7 and 8, which gives you 15. In this case, you place the 5 in the middle and carry the 1 over to the first digit. So, you add the 1 to the 7, making it 8. The answer becomes 858. Try it yourself with any 2-digit number. It works every time, and it's a fantastic way to impress anyone with your lightning-fast mental math skills. Next, let us talk about the magic of the number 9. This one is less of a calculation trick and more of a fascinating property that seems almost mystical. Take any number, literally any number you can think of, and multiply it by 9. Now, take the result and add up all of its individual digits. The sum you get will always, without fail, be a multiple of 9. Let's test it out. How about a big one? Let's take 9 times 543. That gives us 4,887. Now, let us sum the digits of the answer. 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7. Alright, are you ready for something that feels like real mind reading? This next one is the birthday calculator. You can use this to figure out anyone's birthday, month and day, just by giving them a few simple instructions. It's the ultimate party trick. Here's how it works. Find a friend and ask them to follow these steps secretly on a calculator or a piece of paper. First, take the number of your birth month. For example, if you were born in March, your number is 3. Multiply that number by 5. Then, add 7 to the result. Next, multiply that new number by 4. Then, add 13. For the final calculation step, multiply the whole thing by 5. And lastly, add the day you were born. So if your birthday is March 15th, you would add 15. Now, ask them for their final number. The secret is that all you have to do is subtract 205 from their total. The number you're left with will reveal their birthday. The first 1 or 2 digits will be the month, and the last 2 digits will be the day. So, if the final answer after you subtract 205 is 315, it means their birthday is the 3rd month, the 15th day. March 15th. This works because the sequence of operations is designed to isolate and position the month and day numbers perfectly. Try it on your friends and watch them be amazed as you magically guess their birthday. Now for a trick that involves a famous mathematical sequence. This is the Fibonacci secret. You've probably heard of the Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones, starting from 0 and 1. But this trick puts a fun twist on it. Ask a friend to write down any 2 numbers, one above the other. They can be any numbers they want, big or small. Let's say they pick 4 and 7. Now, instruct them to create a sequence of 10 numbers by always adding the last 2 numbers to get the next one. So, the 3rd number would be 4 plus 7, which is 11. The 4th would be 7 plus 11, which is 18. And so on, until they have a list of 10 numbers. While they're busy adding all those numbers up, you can lean back and relax. Once they have their list of 10, challenge them to add all 10 numbers together. As they start frantically calculating, you can glance at their list, spot the 7th number, and instantly tell them the total sum. Finally, we've saved one of the most classic and baffling mind-reading tricks for last, the 1089 Enigma. This one will make people believe you have psychic powers. Here's what you do. Tell your friend to think of any 3-digit number, but with one condition. The digits must be different and in descending order. For example, 621 or 983. Let's use 621 for our example. Now, tell them to reverse that number. So, 621 becomes 126. The next step is to subtract the smaller number from the larger one. So, 621 minus 126, which equals 495. Now for the final step, tell them to take their result, 495, and reverse it. That gives them 594. Then, they add these two numbers together, 495 plus 594. Ask them to concentrate on their final answer. You pause for dramatic effect, pretend to read their mind, and then declare that their number is 1089, and you will be right. Every single time, no matter what three-digit number they start with, as long as the first and last digits are different, the final answer will always be 1089. It is a beautiful piece of mathematical certainty that appears to be pure magic. The reason it works is rooted in the structure of our number system, but you don't need to explain that. Just enjoy the look of astonishment on their face. So there you have it, 5 incredible math tricks, from lightning-fast multiplication with the 11's trick, to the magical properties of 9, the mind-reading birthday calculator, the speedy sums of the Fibonacci secret, and the mysterious 1089 enigma. Math isn't just about homework. It's a playground of patterns and puzzles. Now it's your turn. Go try these tricks out on your friends and family and watch their reactions. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.